So we just got to El Nido and we're staying at a cool little place called Focus Rooms, and this is what it looks like. Small little room, but designed really cool. There's a little desk, a little balcony area, seahorse, light, shelves, and the bathroom's pretty cool. There's this is how you like hang your towels, and then the shower is all pebble and cement. Pretty cool. We walked down the street from our hotel to this place called Belvita, and this is a little entrance on the way here. It's one of the restaurants that has like a view and pizza and pasta. Really cool entrance. Right now we're walking through El Nido town to El Nido Beach, and this is what it looks like. This is one of the main streets in El Nido town, and so you have most of the restaurants and cheaper hotels right on this street. And this street just ends right at the beach. This is the main El Nido Beach. This is where everyone gets on for a lot of the tours. So it's full of boats. Not really much swimming here. But yeah, the beach is full of people just getting ready for tours. Yeah, tour, all tours. And then there's more restaurants along the beach here. There's more restaurants along El Nido Beach. Still more tours filling up.
I think it's so crazy right now because everyone's leaving for the tours.
Yeah. Now we're just walking along that road that goes along the beach that's right there. This is where a lot of the little cafes and shops are, but it's only walking allowed, so there's no motorcycles going through.
That's a good view.
So earlier we ate at the art cafe way down there, and then we walked up the road all the way to the top end of the beach. And now we're just gonna keep going to see if there's another beach around the corner.
There's a cemetery and then another beach called Callan Beach. So we'll see. We'll see if it's easy to get to.
So that's all El Nido Beach, and we're just continuing to walk along this road around the cliff. Really cool view though. So this is Cemetery Beach because it's right next to the cemetery. There's more boats out here. Actually a better view of some of these limestone cliffs. some more boats being worked on. And then really cool tree up here. So we walked all the way to Callan Beach, which is the furthest you can walk from El Nido town. And it's really nice out here. It's just quiet and no one's on the beach. And to get to town, you just take the beach all the way to a little road and you're in town. And on that side of the town is just tons of smoothies and really good food, all sorts of a variety of food. So yeah, this is chill. Nice.
Yeah, this is what I was kind of imagining, but I mean, I get it, the terminal's over there for the boats, so it's a little nuttier, but this is what you want. It's nice and quiet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, everyone has to go to that beach where we ate breakfast near the art cafe to get on their tours, and so everyone kind of funnels through there, and that's why it's a little crazy there. But yeah, this is way nicer.
Are there stingrays?
Probably.
That's a rock, right?
It's really cool. You can see some old boats right in the jungle here. Another boat getting worked on.
Literally a ship in the woods. I think the tide probably comes up pretty high.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the sand is still wet. And you can see like the seaweed right here. I think the water comes up to here at night. Bunch of dogs and puppies taking a break. So I think we're gonna walk back to El Nido town where our hotel is, and then we're gonna rent a kayak later on Corong Corong Beach and take it out and explore a little bit. So this is El Nido town where we're walking back towards. It looks really cool in this light. This is El Nido Beach a few hours later after everyone gets on their tour boat. Definitely less crowded. So we're just leaving our hotel again. We're walking to Corong Corong Beach to kayak, but on the way we might stop and grab a bite. And we have to walk along the main kind of road that goes through El Nido town. There's not much of a sidewalk, but the view's cool. It's got these massive limestone cliffs with like amazing trees on them in the background. And then you have more foliage just kind of taking everything over on this side. But yeah, the walk's a little nutty, but because you're right on the road and there's not really a sidewalk, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Really cool leaves. So we just got a kayak from Bella Vita right there. I think we got the last one. It's $100 or 100 pesos per hour, so we'll probably be 2 hours. And then we're gonna go around this mountain, and there's Papaya Beach there. So Emilia's the first one in. Right? So we're not at Papaya Beach, it's Lapus Lapus Beach. So we kayaked to Lapus Lapus Beach. Took like 15 minutes, it was pretty easy. Yeah, you just come in right here, and there's like a little shack here. I'm not sure what it is. It says private property. And then there's a little jungle in here. It's the cliffs way up there. There's a few other kayakers here. They're just chilling. Cold. Ah, it's cold. At first.
You brought a snorkel.
I know, we should have brought our masks. Nice cookie. So we just got to Papaya Beach and we kayaked from around there all the way around and then parked our boat on the other side of this rock, and then we hiked through here. And there's barely anyone here. There's 3 other kayakers here and that's it. Then as we were paddling in, we saw 5 hornbills on the cliff over there flying around. It was pretty cool. Looks like they're building another hut or bathrooms maybe. I can see how you could kayak here during like the heat of the day and then just hang out in the shade here all day, because there's so much shade on this beach.